Hi there, this is the XMG Evo 14 E25. Let's see how to get this thing open for servicing. Your first job is to undo the 6 Phillips head screws on the bottom. Then you'll notice slight gaps in the top edges. Pry one of them open with a thin plastic tool and continue this process step by step until the internal clips release. The bottom plate houses 2 stacked thermal pads for each SSD slot. The battery here is a pretty large 80 watt-hour model. Pull down the connector and remove the 2 top screws if you want to remove the unit. The left one is positioned below the SSD, so you have to take it out first. The autonomous life is decent. You can expect around 6 hours and 16 minutes of 4K YouTube video playback on a single charge. The storage upgradability is good, especially for a 14-inch notebook. You get 2 slots compatible with 2280 Gen 4 NVMe drives. RAID 0 and RAID 1 support is also available. We are also happy to see a pair of SODIMMs that can handle up to 128 gigabytes of DDR5, 5600 megahertz memory. No thermal pads for the modules though. But on the other hand, this isn't a gaming machine. The Wi-Fi 6E card on the left is replaceable. The cooling solution is quite sizable for a small laptop that lacks a dedicated GPU. It has a pair of fans, 2 long heat pipes, 2 top-mounted heat sinks, and a metal plate above the CPU. It's time to remove the thermal system. Peel off the tape strap that holds the battery on the left. You must undo 9 Phillips heads in total. That's 6 around the fans and 3 in the middle. Pull the fan connector straight upwards. Pry the cooling with a lever tool. While doing so, you'll spot that the fans can be removed separately. The processor is positioned above the RAM slots. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.